Hey guys, this is Brian from Vet Source. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm featuring a really cool set of old school steel wheels for 1965-1966 Corvettes. Now, an interesting little trivia thing about Corvettes you may not know is that up until 1982, actually 84, Corvettes did not have aluminum wheels as their standard option. Aluminum wheels were an optional wheel between the periods of 1964 to 1967 in the starburst or knockoff pattern, and then from 1976 to 1982 they were available as the mag slot wheels that you see on a lot of Corvettes from that era. So when you ordered your Corvette, unless you paid extra money, you got steel wheels like this on your car with a hubcap or trim ring design with a center cap. So this was a pretty standard thing. These rims are actually from a 1966 car. This is a complete car set, 5 rims, which includes a spare. You can see they still have original part tag on them. That's a 386-9156, and they're stamped Kelsey Hayes. Kelsey Hayes made these rims for them as well as the aluminum rims back in the day. So these are the 15 by 5.5 JK rims, date coded in this one's 11/66, and you can basically kind of faintly see that Kelsey Hayes stamp in the rims. These are in really nice shape. They've got no damage, corrosion, rot, previous repairs, or anything like that. They're just original rims. Most of the paint on them is still original. So they're good for like an original type car, or if you've got an NCRS car you're building, this would be a good set to have to recondition and restore as you like. If you got an interest in the rims, you can give me a call back, 832-654-7367. I ship worldwide and accept most forms of payments. Make sure to check out the links at the bottom of my page here for more Corvette videos and parts and things that I've listed on YouTube. Make sure you click the subscribe button so you can see, get notifications on more parts and videos when I post them. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you next time.